Here's how to find hidden locked chats on WhatsApp. Now open up the WhatsApp app on your iPhone or Android, works the exact same. Now let's hide a chat, for instance. Just tap on this one with myself, tap at the very top, and now I can turn on lock this chat. So now I've locked it. However, keep in mind that's different from hiding it as well. So I can go back out here, and you'll be able to see if I swipe down, you can see locked chats at the very top. So you can swipe down to check your locked chats, but you see if I open this up, I can also hide it if I want to by tapping on settings at the top right. Now from here, you can see hide your locked chats. Now if you have this turned on and you want to create a secret code, let's hit change secret code in this case. And in here, you're going to enter in a secret code. Let's say you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then hit next. And you'll need to enter it in again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hit done. Now I've locked this. In addition to that, I've hidden this chat. Let's go back out of here and I'll show you what it looks like. So now if I'm in the basic chat section, you can see I can swipe down, but it no longer shows those locked chats. That's because they're hidden behind this secret passcode. However, you can find it by tapping on the search bar at the very top, and you need to enter in that exact same code. So you can see I can enter in 1, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't show up, but when I enter in 5, now the locked chats shows up. I can tap on it to see all of those locked chats. And if I wanted to unhide them, I can tap on settings at the top right and just toggle off hide locked chats. And just like that, I'll be able to see them without entering in that secret code.